Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install this car spoiler in your car. So this is kind of like a shark fin. It's like a shark fin, and I'm going to leave a description, link in the description. So I'm going to show you where it's going to go. And basically it comes with 10, so 5 and 5. And I'm going to show you guys how to put them on the car. So basically these come just like that, like very loose, and this right here is like the tape. So the gray part is the tape, and you have to take the red stuff off of it. And so basically I would have to peel the sticker. So this is the sticker, and I would put the sticker on this right here. So once I'm done doing all of them and this one, then I can put it on my car. So I'm gonna do this for the video, just one of them, like this. Kind of like that. Let me see. I hope you guys can see. Like this. So basically, once you are done doing this, you pull out the red part. Let me see, let me zoom into that. So this would be like the sticker, and this is what sticks on your car, the gray part. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is a ruler, rubbing alcohol, that's a half wet towel, so it's like half water and dry. And then you're gonna need like all-purpose duct tape. So this is kind of for like when you paint your house. Maybe it doesn't do like that much damage when you use it to measure it, where you're gonna put your decorations. So yeah, so this is the stuff you're gonna need. I'm gonna need a stepping stool because, you know, that's me. So basically what you do is you clean the area with the towel. It's like a small hotel towel, and you can use the alcohol first. So I would first use the alcohol and then the water, okay? And that's just so your area can be clean, so it sticks better, because your decoration has adhesive tape. That was the gray thing that I showed you. So yeah. So the ruler is kind of for like where exactly you want it to be. So it's gonna be more so like you use your eyes and use the ruler. So that's what the tape is for, basically. And the pen. So you're gonna need like a marker or a pen to mark where you want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is just use my eyes, and don't stick it on top yet. So just leave it with the red tape on. So that's how you like measure where you want it, because I'm just gonna do it how I want it. But it's more of like you use your own eyes. So they should all look like this once you're done, and I'm gonna just put them on top for now without removing the red stuff, just to measure it. So this is kind of what mine came out like, using the ruler and the tape and my pen. So you just kind of have to measure it using your eyes and seeing the position that you want it. So that's how I wanted mine. But it depends what you want too, you know. And basically I just used the ruler, so I'm going to show you how I did that. I'm going to show you how it looks like from a different angle. So that's how it looks like from down here. So just make sure you are seeing what you want. So I'm going to show you with the ruler right now. Yeah, these, I also installed these. I'll put the link below if you want. So this is so you don't have to paint your door handles. Let's see. So right here I did one, so I used like the inches, I think. Yeah. So right there I did 1 to 4, if you can see that. So it's 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. My bad, I think I didn't record that. So I just did 1, 2, 4, if you can see, number 1 and number 4. And over here, the last one, I did 1, 2, 5, if you can see that right there. So just measure it to your liking, and please take your time. So this is how it should look when you're sticking it. My bad. It's like the purple, my bad, the gray tape. So it's this gray tape you see right here. I clean it first with alcohol, and then I dry it with the dry side of the towel. So I'm going to show you guys me sticking this right here. Exactly right here in the video. Make sure it's straight. Don't put pressure unless you're certain that it's, how you want it. So I kind of wanted it like this. So this is how it's going to be. And just keep pulling it out until you're certain. So that's kind of how it came out. So yeah, just use the tape, use your eyes, use what best works for you. I'm gonna just finish the other side, and it's basically 5 on each side. There's more different options of carved fins that you can use, so I'm gonna leave all of that in the description. This for me was almost 15 bucks, so it's pretty cool. I have a Honda, so I kind of wanted to add that. And if you want to do something like that, well, here's your video. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a wonderful day. Guys, I wanted to mention that once you know exactly where you want it, and once you took the tape out, that you can apply as much pressure as you want. But I recommend you add like the most pressure, once it's in the right spot, you know what I'm saying? So just apply like really hard pressure, and so that way you can go to like a car wash or something and it doesn't come off, So I'm doing this like in a sunny, warm day, so this, works better. So just make sure it's fitted in. It's in the, fitted in there. And then, once it's in the right location, you take the red stuff out and stick it there and apply the most pressure, as much pressure as possible. I recommend. So yeah. So this is what it came out like. Like I said, please take your time. Use as much measuring tools as you can. Use your eyes. If you need, use a stepping stool. But yeah. Maybe it's not perfect, but it is what it is. I tried my best, and it's staying like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Please take your time. And once you're sure that that's how you want it, you apply as much pressure as you can, once you remove the red tape. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed.